Hi, my name is Fox. I'm a support engineer here at Impact Computing, and this video is all about passwords. It is so important to have a good password because it's usually the only thing protecting you and your data. Using a bad password will allow unauthorized access and could potentially lead to a GDPR nightmare. So what makes a good password? A good password must contain uppercase and lowercase characters and at least one number and symbol. Good passwords must be at least 8 characters in length, but 10 to 12 characters is even better. Don't reuse the same password. Use a different password for every account. Prioritize high-value accounts like email and Microsoft 365. If these accounts are compromised, they can use to get access to everything else. And what makes a bad password? Using a single dictionary word like password or Apple. Reusing the same password for multiple accounts. If one gets compromised, the others will too. Don't use any part of your name or company name. Don't use anything personal or guessable like your favourite football team or your birthday. And don't write passwords down. Here are some tips for creating a secure and easy to remember password. Make it completely unique and random. Select 2 random words, one uppercase and one lowercase. Then add numbers and special characters, such as exclamation mark, $, hash, or percentage. This should give you something like this. I want to talk to you about using a password manager and how this helps us at Impact. It can be very difficult to remember all of your secure passwords following the guidance in this video, so we'd recommend using a password manager for this. A password manager is a great way to securely store all of your passwords in one place, so you only have to remember one. There are plenty of password managers available, but we would recommend using one we use ourselves called LastPass. We have one secure master password to remember, which gives us access to all of our passwords. There is also a browser extension for this, which also fills passwords into any websites, saving us a lot of time. This helps us because we don't need to type any passwords in or know what they are. We can use very complex 32 or 64 character passwords on all of our accounts. It is also great that we can share passwords across the team, and we don't need to reset all of our passwords when staff leave, as they never knew what they were in the first place. Let's talk about multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security to your account by using some form of physical token, typically a phone, to log in. When you log into an account, you'll be asked for a 6-digit code from a mobile app, and attackers won't be able to log in without it. This code is normally remembered for 30 to 60 days, so you don't have to enter it all the time. MFA should be used wherever possible and is widely supported on all your accounts. There are many MFA apps available from trusted providers such as Google and Microsoft. I personally use the Microsoft Authenticator because it works best with Microsoft 365. So let's recap. Use a unique random password on all of your accounts. Don't use a single word or any personal information in your passwords such as your name, company or birthday. Use a password manager to access all of your passwords securely. And use MFA on all your accounts. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions about the content covered in this video, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Please see our website and help centre and check out our social media for more info.